Hello, thanks for joining us for part 4 of the shakedown. I finally got the Maserati on track at Twin Falls Raceway. This was our first day to get all our historic F1 cars on track, all the different models, manufacturers, to see where they're at and really get a feel for this class and where it's going. Alright, we're going to break down this Maserati in a corner here. Here it is. You see the back end step out just enough to get some early rotation in the corner there. It's going to set up the car well for going through. You see that body rock? The car weighs about 60 grams, and it's light enough to straighten up really well there on the exit, and it helps the cornering speed. Okay, we're getting a little test race set up here between myself and JV. Of course, mine's the Maserati, his is the Gordini. Both Penelope Pitlanes. Both look gorgeous on track.
Oh, listen how smooth those are. Damn. It's easy to be smooth when you're slow.
Okay, the first thing you'll notice how smooth these cars are. They both run great. There's a few little alignment issues that JV was having, kept his car a little bit slower. Mine was running okay, a couple issues with guide depth. But one thing I was very surprised with these cars was how soft and grippy those tires were. Despite the tread and all of that, they really stuck well. And I've got good confidence these tires are going to work in really well. I see I carried too much speed into that corner there. Guide depth was partly a problem, again as me getting used to the car. Another thing I'm going to have to do is glue the tires. At one point during test and tune, I had gone into a corner really hard and slid into it, and it had kind of knocked the tire partway off the rim, and a lap or two later, I came rolling by the pits with half a tire on the wheel, and it was an absolute nightmare. You guys see the car's running well again. I'm going to have another trouble here. There it is. See, I came off again, got a little confident with the car. But again, no worries. This is the first test and tune. We're going to race these again this coming weekend at Scorpion Speedway. And that's Mario's track. And his track will provide a different challenge. It's very tight and twisty, very demanding on the drivers. Here's a good look at the Penelopes going side by side down the main straight.
Use that weight to your advantage. You know, you're not going to de-slap Big Karen. Right? Just taking that corner. He said Big Karen. Just taking that corner.
And there's a little audio clip of all of the guys bullshitting around. Thanks to JV for opening the track. Really appreciate it. Twin Falls Raceway is a great destination. Historic F1 cars. We're racing this weekend. Hope to see you then.